actions we do. Look at the pictures given below. What are these children doing? She is washing her face. There is a girl and she is washing her face using her hands. We wash our face using our hands. Washing means cleaning. Clean karna. Next, she is wearing a garland around her neck. What she is wearing? Garland. Garland means फूलों का हार. Garland is made up of flowers. She is wearing garland around her neck. Next, he is combing his hair. Combing means कंघी से बाल बनाना. He is combing his hair by looking into mirror. We look into mirror and we comb our hair using our hands. She is dancing. She is dancing means वो नृत्य कर रही है. She is dancing. Next, he is brushing his teeth. We brush our teeth by using our hands and we rub the brush on teeth. In the morning when we wake up from sleep, what we do first? We brush our teeth. Next, he is eating an apple. An apple in a day keeps doctor away. Apple means seb. He is eating an apple with his teeth and with his hand. वो सेब खा रहा है. He is eating an apple. Next, say aloud. So there are various body parts they have shown into pictures. So we are going to take or understand the meaning of each body part. This is my head. This is my head means ये मेरा सिर है. This is my nose. This is my nose means ये मेरी नाक है. This is my hair. Hair means बाल. This is my neck. Neck means गर्दन. Next, this is my mouth. Mouth means मुंह. These are my teeth. You know teeth? Teeth means दांत. Teeth here is in plural form and in singular form we call tooth. A tooth, एक दांत. These are my eyes. Eyes means आँखें. Eyes in plural form and eye is singular form. एक आँख, दो आँखें. Two eyes, one eye. These are my legs. Legs means पैर. These are my hands. Hands means हाथ. Next, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. This was poem we were doing in our childhood with action. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head means sir. Shoulder means kandha. Knees means घुटने. Toes means the fingers of our legs. The fingers of our legs means the bigger fingers. We have two bigger fingers to our legs, so those are known as toes. Eyes means आँखें. Ears means कान. Mouth means मुंह and nose means नाक. So we learned body parts, name of body parts here. So we'll start with next chapter. Children, we have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. Thank you. See you soon. Take care.